Go, sweetheart, go.
You can do it.
Go, sweetheart, go.
There you go, it's coming.
She's coming.
Stop pushing my dear. Just gentle.
Small, tiny push.
1, 2, 3.
Small
1, 2, 3.
Small one, yeah.
Stop.
Slide.
1, 2, 3.
You can't see. Oh my God.
Excellent.
Oh, she's running away, babe.
Oh, I see her.
Okay. Okay, my dear. Push. Push. Big push.
Big push, my dear.
Push. Push, push, push.
Down, down.
Go, sweetheart, go. One more. Push.
There she is.
Come on, she's a big, beautiful, healthy baby. Get her out. There she is.
Oh my God.
Hey, sweetie. Oh, dear God.
Yeah.
Oh.
A bigger one.
Hey, you.
Okay, give it to the...
Hey, baby.
Head down.
Oh, is she
There she
awake?
is.
Yeah, she's good.
Wow, you were amazing. You were amazing.
Good job, my dear. You did really well.
Thank you. You did amazing.
Congratulations.
Beautiful. So good. Oh, now we just gotta get the princess out.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
You hear her, Shy?
Oh, she's beautiful.
Sniffle arms.
She looks like the both of you.
Oh, hello. Well, hello. Oh, we're not happy.
Are you pooping?
At all.
You pooping?
Oh, she's pooping.
She's so big.
Whoa, what's wrong? I know it's cold. I know. Oh.
This is the cutest little cry.
This is not nice.
God, you guys made the cutest kid.
Oh, she's got
She's
silence
coming.
filled.
She's just getting cleaned up. Oh, baby.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yes. I know.
Yeah. What they have to do certain things to make sure that you're all good and going. Little tests and stuff.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
She looks like a strawberry blonde like you, babe.
What?
She looks like a strawberry blonde like you. Don't know the color of eyes yet. She's opened them up a couple of times. She's angry. No, I know. She's coming. She's got to clean her up for
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to suction you again, okay?
I know. All in one night? Yeah. Sort of like a
There you go. Is that getting all the gunk out?
Yeah.
Yes, we need to hear that loud cry. So cute, baby.
A little push under, just this. Nice.
Yep.
So good. Yeah, perfect. Fun. Yes. Thank you. Actually, I might be okay. I might be okay. You can just be on the side, I might be okay. No, but you like feel like positively. I've been doing it.
You see the placenta there?
No?
See the placenta? It's in the bin.
Right there. Hey. Gosh, it's so cute. Whoa.
Yes. Oh, she's not happy.
No.
Oh, she's peeing.
Oh, she's peeing and pooing.
Oh, but
My
that
goodness.
all works. That's good. Good to know that works well. Yay.
It is a girl, right?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, definitely a girl.
Do they work?
You don't have to turn on your phone. Oh my god. I'm saying the car left.
I want to go see my mama.
It's so cold.
Oh my god.
It's cold out here. I'm all wide open. Yeah, not nice and warm and cozy like Mama had me for so many months.
Oh, baby, hello. Shy, I think she has your eyes. Yeah. Oh, she's pouting. Oh, baby. Her eyes are open. Nick, come here. Okay.
9930.
Oh, you're pouting, baby. Oh, my goodness.
Baby, one
Oh, hello, sweetie. Hello. Look at your fingers pouting.
Are we pouty?
Yes.
Oh, we already got her mommy's temperament.
Her eyes. Hi, baby. Oh, that light hurts, doesn't it?
Oh.
Oh, she definitely looks like Shyla. Just wait till her eyes are open. Whoa. Wow.
Are we calling for mommy already?
Oh, no. She is the cutest little thing, Shyla. You're gonna freaking puke everywhere when you see her.
Oh, it's okay.
Look at her looking at you,
We
Mama.
love you. It's alright. She's like, oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Hi, baby.
Mama's gonna feed you. Yeah. Yeah, she will. She will. It's alright. It's okay. Yes.
You're beautiful, baby.
It's so cold.
It's actually like really awesomely warm.
I know.
Oh, she's, you know, her chin sounds good though. Her color is better. She's stretching quite a bit, you know, she's quite neat to see.
Yes, it's put you on the scale, baby.
Can I go behind you?
Find out what you're doing. For mommy and baby, yeah?
Yep.
Sorry.
Take a picture. 712.
712, Shy.
Mama, take powder.
Girl.
Oh, yeah, big girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
3527.
No, that's okay.
Oh, the first little diaper. Yes, it's your first diaper. Oh, yeah. No, we're just pulling wherever you feel like it's yeah.
Hello, beautiful. Hello. Oh, bless you.
Princess.
Sorry.
In the way.
Okay. Need to ask for it on the phone.
I'll go. I'm sorry.
Thank you.